Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. So it has been a few months, maybe even a year since I've done a mini series here on my YouTube channel. And I do apologize for that. I have had all these great ideas, but as you probably feel in your life, there's only 24 hours in a day. And so we have to choose which one we need to spend those 24 hours on. And sadly, mini series just kind of fell by the wayside for me. But anyways, it's a new year. And I'm hoping that I could get in some of these mini-series into my year in 2019. Let's cross our fingers. So for my first series, I noticed that a lot of you like to watch those layouts that I make using scraps. And I do have a lot of scraps. So I feel like I'm going to start with that. But to kind of have a little twist of just making a page with just scraps, I decided that I'm going to use scraps. B, I'm going to scrap lift myself. I think that there's this kind of guilt sometimes where we don't want to copy other people's projects, but we can copy ourselves. So that's what I will do. But there was a time, a long time ago, when, as you can see, there's magazines there, that one of the things that I was fortunate enough to be a part of is to be published. And so I figured that I'm going to go through my magazines that I was published in, pick the pages that I was published, or the pages that I created that was published, and then scrap lift that. Kind of copy myself, but at the same time find a way to twist it up in a way where it's fresh and it's new and the design looks more 2019 versus 2008 or 2007, whenever that was published. So I have 5 layouts or 5 magazines here, and each one has a layout that I created. And then I'm going to share with you in each of the videos, I'm going to share with you the layout and then of course the process of how I recreate that using a bunch of scraps. I am a big planner, and so I have already pulled out the papers that I'm going to use for each of the pages that I'm going to create. As you can see, they are all scraps, and so I'm going to see if I can, and I even had pulled out the pictures that I'm going to use, and so I'm hoping that that will make me be more efficient and I could actually get this series accomplished and shared. And so I hope that you stay tuned. If you are not a subscriber, I hope that you will click that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you will know when I post my first layout or my first process video of this series. If you like these videos, if you have an idea for a mini series that I can do, I am more than happy to read that and see if that is doable for me, for my style of scrapbooking. And so if you want to leave that comment in the comment section below, please do so. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below as well. And I will catch you guys when I share my first layout for this process video. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.